The 1945 Wilton 4-inch bullet vise has a HD for heavy duty marking. I believe that was a different model or different spec, and supposedly a little heavier duty. One finger operation, very tight vise, barely any movement. Most of it's actually just because it's not bolted down to the table. For 1945 vise, it's in amazing condition. I believe the jaws are original. There's some light chipping you'll see in the photos. A little bit of wear, but all in all, it's a great vise. Has the Chicago name on both sides, city and then Wilton. And this vise was fully stripped, abrasive blasted, washed out, and then painted. Actually a 2-part epoxy primer, and then the Rust-Oleum hammer tone Verde green.